Hello students, it is A.K. Jha chemistry classes. Before this video, I had taught you solution number part 2. In that video, I had taught you normality and molarity. Today, I am going to teach you molarity and molality and other types of concentrations, weight by weight, weight by volume, and volume by volume. So, open your copy, notebook, and make notes, and read it. Also read books. So, start molarity. Number of gram moles dissolved in 1 liter of solution is called molarity. Number of gram moles of a solute dissolved in 1 liter or 1000 ml of a solution is called molarity. Its age is represented as m, small m. You will have for this, you will have to find out first molarity of the solute, number of moles of the solute. First write a formula for molarity is W equal to mv by 1000. W equal to weight of solute in gram, v volume of solution in ml, milliliter, capital M, molecular weight, small m, molarity. Also very simple. I am giving example. You will understand it. Question. .8 gram of H2SO4 is dissolved in 1 liter or 2 liter of a solution. Suppose the solution is 2 liter. Clear? Find molarity. Solution. Here W equal to 9.8 gram, molecular weight M 98, molecular weight of sulfuric acid is 98 gram, volume equal to 2 liter means 2000 ml, W since W equal to mmv by 1000, so m मोलारिटी निकालना है, W into 1000 by m into v, W is 9.8 into 1000 by molecular weight 98 into this is volume 2000. This way you can calculate the molarity of the solution. Very simple है, और mind it. बतावे इसको, बतावे. Now relation between normality and molarity. I had taught you normality, and now it is molarity. Now see what is the relation between normality and molarity. Relation between normality and molarity. I am giving you a simple example and you will understand. Suppose for HCl equivalent weight is equal to 36.5 gram and molecular weight is also 36.5 gram. Volume of solution, this is 1 gram mole. Here also this is 1 gram mole. Here 1000 ml. Here is also V. Volume of solution is also 1000 ml. If 1 gram mole is dissolved, 1 gram equivalent. This is 1 gram equivalent. 1 gram equivalent dissolved in 1000 ml of solution, then strength, here in this case strength is equal to 1 and similarly 1 gram mole dissolved in 1000 ml of solution, then here is strength is 1 m. So what conclusion? Or monobasic acid or base normality is equal to molarity. जो स्ट्रेंथ नॉर्मल सॉल्यूशन का होगा वही स्ट्रेंथ मोलर सॉल्यूशन का होगा. जितना वर्क नॉर्मल सॉल्यूशन करेगा उतना ही रिएक्शन मोलर सॉल्यूशन करेगा. सो हियर इज कंक्लूजन इज फॉर मोनो बेसिक एसिड और मोनोबेसिक बेस नॉर्मेलिटी इज इक्वल टू मोलैरिटी. अब क्लियर कंसेप्ट है. मोलैरिटी नॉर्मेलिटी जो होगा सॉल्यूशन का उतनी ही मोलैरिटी होगी. सेकेंड एग्जांपल बी फॉर सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड. Here equivalent weight is 49. Volume, this is 1 gram equivalent. This is volume of solution 1 ml. So in this case also here molecular weight is equal to 98 is equal to 2 gram mole. Volume is equal to 1000 ml. So if we dissolve 48 gram 49 gram 1 gram mole 49 gram, if we dissolve 49 gram of 49 gram of sulfuric acid, we get 1N solution. Strength is equal to 1N, and here strength is equal to, this is 2 gram mole, this is 2M. What do you mean? मतलब such a dibasic acid, if you require 1N solution, if you require to react sulfuric acid of strength 1N in terms of normality, you will have to take 2M solution, because this is the strength. Here एक डबल, यहाँ पे 98 लिया गया, यहाँ पे 49 लिया गया, या 98 लिया गया, मतलब ये जो काम करेगा वो काम M/2 करेगा. मतलब for dibasic acid और डाइएसिडिक बेस क्या हो जाएगा, जो काम ये करेगा 98 वाला, इसको डबल डिसॉल्व करना पड़ेगा, मतलब 2N is equal to 1M. 98 ग्राम सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड से जो रिएक्शन पॉसिबल है उसको अगर हम नॉर्मल बनाएंगे और नॉर्मल सोल्यूशन लेंगे तो यू विल हैव टू टेक 2N स्ट्रेंथ सोल्यूशन, मतलब 2N is equal to 1MC. For H3PO4 similarly you will see for tribasic acid or triacidic base, similarly for tribasic acid or triacidic base क्या हो जाएगा, 3N is equal to 1M. जितना स्ट्रेंथ 1M सोल्यूशन का होगा उतना स्ट्रेंथ 3N सोल्यूशन का होगा. इस रिलेशन बिटवीन नॉर्मेलिटी एंड मोलैरिटी. नाउ क्लियर, मिटाएं इसको. नाउ मोलैरिटी और मोलैरिटी में डिफरेंस क्या है कि मैं लिख दे रहा हूं. तो मोलैरिटी में 1000 ml सॉल्यूशन लिया जाता है, लेकिन मोलैरिटी में 1000 ग्राम लिया जाता है सॉल्यूशन. ये बहुत बेसिक बात है. और ये नाउ मोलैरिटी डिफाइन करेंगे नंबर ऑफ ग्राम मोल्स of a solute dissolved in 1000 gram of solvent, not solution, solvent, then molality, then it is called molality. It is represented by a small m. मतलब डिफरेंस क्या है? मोलैरिटी, ये इसको याद रख लो। और मोलैरिटी में क्या है? सॉल्यूट रहेगा 1 ग्राम, यहां भी सॉल्यूट 1 ग्राम, 1 ग्राम मोल, यहां भी सॉल्यूट 1 ग्राम मोल। यहां पे मोलैरिटी में सॉल्यूशन रहेगा, सॉल्यूशन होगा 1000 ml, और यहां पे सॉल्वेंट होगा 1000 ग्राम। ये बेसिक डिफरेंस है मोलैरिटी में और मोलैलिटी में। इसका मैं फॉर्मूला ड्राइव कर रहा हूं। सपोज लेट अस कंसीडर a solute let us consider x gram of solute का मॉलिक्यूलर वेट है A, is dissolved in W gram of solvent. Clear? So first you calculate number of moles of the solute. मोल मतलब गिवन मास। फॉर्मूला इसका ध्यान रखोगे, गिवन वेट बाय मॉलिक्यूलर वेट, मतलब गिवन वेट x ग्राम एंड मॉलिक्यूलर वेट A, जैसे इतना ग्राम मोल, इतना ग्राम मोल घुला हुआ है, डिजॉल्व है W ग्राम सॉल्वेंट में। लिखेंगे सेंस इन W ग्राम ऑफ सॉल्वेंट weight of solute dissolved is equal to not weight gram moles, number of gram moles of solute is equal to x by A. So in 1000 gram of solvent, gram mole is equal to x by A into 1000 divided by 1 by W. This is equal to x by A into 1 by W into 1000. इसे फॉर्मूला हो मोलैरिटी मोलैलिटी का फॉर्मूला हो जाएगा वेट ऑफ सॉल्यूट इन ग्राम डिवाइडेड बाय molecular weight of solute into weight of W solvent, weight of solvent in gram into 1000. This is the formula to calculate the molality of the solution. Clear? ठीक है. Sometimes you will not be given the weight of the solvent, you will be given density of solution, so you will have to calculate first mass of the solution, और mass of solution में mass of weight को subtract करने पे you will get weight of the solvent. This is numerical problem. It will be done in next video. I will give you some numericals, simple numericals, and you will get it. Okay? अब concentration of solution is expressed, and I have said you in terms of molality, normality, molality, and this is molality. Now mole fraction. Mole fraction. What is mole fraction? बहुत सिंपल है. Mole fraction means suppose there are two substances in solution. One is A. Write down mole fraction. Mole fraction of A is equal to number of gram moles of A divided by total number of moles in solution. Mole fraction of B is equal to number of gram mole of B by total number of moles in solution. है ना? If you add XA plus XB, it will be equal to 1. I am giving a simple numerical database for mole fraction. Question 10.6 gram of sodium carbonate is dissolved in 90 gram of water. Clear? 10.6 gram मैंने इसलिए लिया है कि इसको सॉल्व करने में यू विल हैव इजी बिकॉज मोलिकुलर वेट ऑफ Na2CO3 is 23 into 2 plus 12 plus 48, it comes 46 plus 12 plus 48, 46 plus 16, this is 106, and its equivalent weight is equal to 106 by 2 is equal to 53. One of the students asked me how to calculate the equivalent weight of salt. One of the students asked me how to calculate equivalent weight of salt. Equivalent of weight salt is equal to molecular weight. I have calculated this Na2CO3 का molecular weight 106 होता है divided by charge. This is -2, this is +1 into 2 plus 2. So you divide by any charge 2. ये क्वेश्चन हमको लगे ने पूछा था कल, तो कैसे निकालेंगे इसको? Now here you see 10.6 gram of sodium carbonate dissolved in 90 gram of water. Calculate normality molarity and mole fraction and mole. ये बहुत कंसेप्ट मिलेगा तुमको अगर इसको इस तरह से इसको बनाओगे तो कैसे होता है। तो जैसे तो फर्स्ट कैलकुलेट नॉर्मैलिटी कैसे निकालेंगे? ये यहाँ निकला हुआ है इक्विवेलेंट वेट 53। मैंने बताया था फॉर्मूला में कि W इज इक्वल टू NeV by 1000, so N is equal to W into 1000 by E into V. You put the values, you will get the answer. Normality weight 10.6 into 1000 divided by equivalent weight 53 into volume. This is volume of वाटर, volume सॉल्यूशन नहीं दिया हुआ है इसमें। 90 ग्राम ऑफ वाटर, 90 ग्राम ऑफ वाटर, यू विल हैव टू कैलकुलेट द इट्स डेंसिटी। हमने देख आई एम गिविंग यू के डेंसिटी ऑफ सॉल्यूशन सपोज करो जैसे 0 या 2.3 ग्राम पर ml सॉल्यूशन, तो टोटल सॉल्यूशन इज 90। W इज इक्वल टू वेट ऑफ सॉल्यूशन, वेट ऑफ सॉल्यूशन इज इक्वल टू हो जाएगा 90 प्लस 10 plus 6 is equal to 100.6 gram. Since D is equal to M by V, इसलिए V is equal to M by D. Total mass here 100.6 by density 2.3. This is volume in ml. क्लियर? मैंने केवल मास ऑफ वाटर दिया था, मैंने नहीं दिया था वॉल्यूम ऑफ द सॉल्यूशन। तो वॉल्यूम सॉल्यूशन को निकालने के लिए लिखना पड़ेगा वेट ऑफ सॉल्यूट प्लस वेट ऑफ सॉल्वेंट को मैंने ऐड कर दिया, इज 106 ग्राम। दिस इज मास वेट ऑफ सॉल्यूशन, D इक्वल टू m बाई v, तो v इक्वल टू m बाई d। डेंसिटी यहाँ दिया हुआ था, मैंने डिवाइड कर दिया, दिस इज इतना ml। अब नाउ दिस v will be put here, W into 1000 by equivalent weight 53 by volume V is 100.6 by 2.3। इसको सॉल्व करेंगे, 10.6 into 1000 into 2.3 divided by 53 into 1000.6, तो जो होगा that will be normality। This is the you have to calculate by multiplying and dividing। this is ना, ये this is normality of solution। clear? Now B, molarity। molarity W is equal to mmv by 1000। This is so m molarity, m is equal to W into 1000 by E into V। Here is 10.6 into 1000 divided by, this is mmv, W into V, W into 1000 by m into V। this is m मतलब मोलिकुलर वेट 106 और वॉल्यूम दिया हुआ है 106 by 2.3, this is 10.6 into 1000 divided into 2.3 divided by 106 into 100.6, this is molarity। clear? C, molality। molality ग्राम मोल्स या वेट ऑफ सॉल्यूट बाय molecular weight of solute into weight of solvent in gram into 1000। now you put the values, weight of solute 10.6 divided by molecular weight of solute 106 into solvent, इसमें ये यूज करेंगे 90 ग्राम वाटर है, 90 into 1000, this is molality। इसे स्मॉल है मोलालिटी, इसी कैपिटल है मोलालिटी। क्लियर? द मोल फ्रैक्शन D, for mole fraction you will have to calculate number of gram moles of sodium carbonate and water both। so mole fraction number of gram moles, इसको मिटावे, इसको Good. Now mole fraction. For mole fraction, calculation of mole fraction. Number of gram moles of sodium carbonate equal to 10.6 by 106 106 into 10 into 106 कैंसिल हो गया 1 by 10 0.1 number of gram moles of water 90 by 8 18 होता है molecular weight of water. This is 5 mole. This is 5 mole. इसलिए मोल फ्रैक्शन ऑफ सोडियम कार्बोनेट इक्वल 0.1 डिवाइडेड बाय 0.1 plus 5 and mole fraction of water is equal to 5 by 0.1 plus 5. इसको कैलकुलेट करना पड़ेगा. This is in detail about. I have taught few detail some numerical problems on mole fraction and normality, molarity, molality and mole fraction. So I think it has given you a good concept about the solution, concentration of solution. Now in next video I will teach you vapor pressure and other things also. So best of luck और इसको पढ़िए और बेस्ट ऑफ लक एंड गॉड ब्लेस यू. थैंकिंग यू.